Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to look out email from other devices. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So do you think your email account is still logged in on other phone, laptop, or computer? Maybe you sign in on a friend's device, a public computer, or an old phone and forget to log out. If that's the case, don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to do it. Step by step, it's very simple to log out your email from other device. So you can go to settings, to Google settings. You can open your settings on your phone. You can just scroll down. You can go to Google. From Google, you can choose on your email that you want to log out. After that, you can select on your email like this. Select on manage your Google account. From here, you can scroll down. You can select on security and sign in. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option like your devices, the information where you sign in. And if there's you find there's an recognized device, you can just log out. You can select on manage devices. You can select on the device that you want to log out. This one. You can verifying yourself. You can wait after you verify yourself using passkey. Now, you'll find there is an option to sign out from this device. You can select on it. Sign out. I'm sorry. You can just select on sign out and that's it. Now you have sign out from that unrecognized or unknown device. It's very simple, right? So that is how to sign out from your email from other devices. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.